Hey everybody, it's Wednesday. It is Wednesday, the 23rd of April, 2026. This is Reverend Kate Holmes. It is time for One Mind Wednesday. Today is my public service announcement for those who may spend a lot of time on social media. And all I'm going to ask, do your homework. Please do your homework. And what I mean by that is when you read a story that you go, oh yeah, it's a gotcha thing, and yeah, give it to them and that kind of thing. Check and make sure that the story actually really happened. Please do not repost. It only takes a few minutes. I mean, if you're on the internet anyway and you're scrolling anyway, just look it up and say, did this really happen? And better yet, if there's something in your gut saying, I wonder if this is true, follow that. That's the whole idea here on Mind Wednesday, is that you're following your inner guidance to tell you what is true. And in this day and age, we really need that internal compass to tell us. And I'm just as discouraged, and sometimes it really just tweaks me that we are living in a time where I find myself with almost everything I see on the internet. Is this true? What's more disturbing and more disheartening about this is that it is designed that way. It's part of the system, the algorithms that keep us unbalanced, off our feet, feeling like I'm not sure who to trust. This is the time to lean in, learn how to hear that inner voice, learn how to trust that inner voice that says something here is not quite right. Your highest self, your inner being knows. Follow it, listen to it. Don't repost just because it gives you a dopamine hit to go, yeah, so-and-so said that and gotcha, man. And I'm going to put a caveat on that as well. Please do not do this if it is a woman denigrating another woman. I know that's a lot to unpack, and that might be something for next time. But think about that. It is too easy. We have, as women, we have been too conditioned for far too long, for millennia, to go at one another when we should be supporting each other, when we could be doing so much more good in the world when we support each other, instead of commenting on somebody's outfit or their hairstyle or their weight. Or you know all of this because you've been exposed to it from a patriarchal world. So don't do it to other women. Please. Don't do it to yourself. If you're not going to accept it from a man, do not accept it from a woman either. And don't repost it. Don't propagate it. It's a conditioning. It's a conditioning, and I'll circle back to that PSA. If it feels too good to be true, or you feel like, wow, that is just a really crazy, amazing story that quote unquote makes me feel really good, even those, and I'm sorry to say that, there's a reason that they're being put on the internet. It's to capture you. It's clickbait. To get likes, to get, you know, the whole system. So please learn to trust the inner voice. That's really what this PSA is about today. Find a way to do that. Number one way, learn to meditate. Learn to be still. Learn to get to know that person within you and that higher voice within you that is present, that is guiding you every step of the way. And if you need some help with that, reach out. I'm a coach. I'm a spiritual advisor. Okay? I can help you because I've done it myself. I know how to trust that inner voice now. All right. Done preaching at you for today. Please be kind. Please be kind. Please check your sources, all your sources, before you repost something. If I know it's coming directly from you, I know it's coming from you. But if it's coming from you via somebody else, I'm going to check it. That's all I'm going to say. All right. Remember, we are all all a part of the one mind, which means we are all in this together, because we all live on this planet. Unless we all have our own little personal spaceships and somewhere else we know we can go to actually breathe and live, we're here. It's all we got. And all we have is each other. So, kindness matters. Kindness matters, kindness matters. And checking your sources matters. And love is the only answer. And I love you all dearly. So thank you for following, subscribing. I'm going to remind you again, please go to the website and start subscribing to the e-newsletter. I'll just another PSA reminder that I'm going to be moving One Mind Wednesday off this platform sometime this year. You'll have plenty of notice. But in the meantime, please go to the website. Please go to the Substack. Please go to the YouTube channel. Subscribe there. Follow there. And I really appreciate you. Thank you. Thanks for doing that. All right. I'll see you next week. Done for the day. Over and out. Bye.